Cowboy Ted here, and I am with Dr. Kathy Backus, and we've known each other for about 7 years. She has taught me a ton about how to take care of your animals naturally, and natural healing, natural medicine, and she hosts our All About Animals segments on the Cowboy Ted and Friends show. And I just wanted to introduce you to Dr. Kathy, and Kathy, tell us a little bit about what you're going to teach people.
Okay, so there's so much, but the underlying premise is real true health is our connection with nature on Mother Earth. And so we want to be all about health, and that is working with nature and healing things, that healing remedies, everything from herbs, ozone, just food is a huge part of what you eat and put in the body, and your emotions and mindful moments with animals. That is what truly is holistic, because it encompasses everything: mind, body, soul, everything together with the animals. And so we're going to cover all topics because there's so much involved with it, and it's fun, and it's actually what feels the best, right? Being out in nature, and
it's good for your pet, good for your animals, so you're all going to be better balanced. So watch Dr. Kathy and the All About Animals segment every week on the Cowboy Ted and Friends show, and check out her website on our sponsor page.
All right, sounds great.